Hope everyone's doing fantastic. This is just a quick important message about what I'll be doing as far as content is concerned. Moving forward, I will be live streaming all of the scheduled profitable releases on my Twitch on twitch.tv/gamerboynova. The first one that I did for the Jordan 4s was on YouTube, but after that, moving forward, all of it will be on that new Twitch account. With that being said, I'm also going to be uploading various clips and highlights from those live streams, such as the one that you're about to watch now, into a new YouTube channel called Boy Nova. All of this will be linked in the description below. And the thing about live streaming and this new YouTube channel is that I'll be able to upload Livecops very quickly after they happen, usually on the same day, so you don't have to wait a month to see how I performed on a particular drop. In fact, you might even be able to see it live. I already have a few videos up there, so go ahead and check it out, and while you're there, you might as well subscribe to the channel. As I mentioned, here is a clip from that live stream when a viewer asked me about artificial intelligence and sneaker bots. An hour and 10 minutes. What is AI botting? So it's basically when you bot and it does everything for you. It passes all of the anti-bot measures for you. So you know how you like the little puzzles. Oh, draw a box around a plane. Oh, what is Kanye's birthday or whatever? And then you have to manually type that in. AI is when it does all of that for you. Dude, that topic is so controversial. Some people think it's not good. Personally, it's working well for me. But the problem is, you know what's gonna happen? You know what bot developers are afraid of happening? People are gonna start to run Shopify like it's freaking Yeezy supply. They're gonna buy like freaking 10 servers, and then they're gonna buy 10 instances of AYCD, and then they're gonna run like freaking, I don't know, 50 tasks per each instance, right? And then if you think about it, that's really the way you can actually like start to scale up Shopify that way. And then it's going to be like Yeezy supply all over again, where it's going to be a battle for who can run the most tasks, who can run the most instances. Next thing you know, Shopify is gonna be harder and harder to bot. And then if you have one copy, then you're just not gonna really have that much of a chance versus someone who runs like 20 copies. Essentially, that is what happened to Shopify. Right now, I like the state of where Shopify is at, because you can literally rent out a bot for, I think, $30. I haven't done bot rents. I don't know what the market is at, but I know it's not expensive. You can rent out a bot for like $30 and then hit pretty decently with a single Shopify instance. If enough people catch on to the AI thing, you know, that might not be possible anymore. Called natural selection. Yeah, I agree. But the downside is that whenever this happens, botting becomes more expensive. Especially since Shopify drops don't generally have like a lot of stock. What's gonna end up happening is, if you even want a chance, you're going to have to do like, I'm talking about in a theoretical future, if everyone does the whole AI thing, you're going to have to run like 20 instances. And how much money are you gonna make after all of those fees and stuff? Like, probably nothing. And it's gonna, I think that might actually be the downfall of Shopify. Right now, I love Shopify. It's in a really good place. You can make decent profits for a very small cost.